Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. This MEEDEN beechwood pencil box is just beautiful. I can easily find the colors or type of pencils I'm looking for any project I'm doing. It has 10 drawers, plenty of space for everything I need. I can put all of the artwork pencils well organized and they all fit. This box is so useful and so ornamental. I can actually add things on top, such as my lamp and an ornament. Also, if I need to, it's exactly at the right height to do a virtual meeting. In the lower levels, I have one type of pencils. In the middle here, the metallic pencils all organized by color, and then my other set at the top. And of course, I can do a quick cleanup. Everything has its place and all well organized so I can find the colors and types of pencils I'm looking for next time. My final drawing is made easier with this beautiful pencil box. And that's my point of view.